In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to journal in TradingView. If you're using TradingView for paper trading and want to keep track of your trades for better analysis and reflection, you're in the right place. A trading journal is an essential part of developing a disciplined trading strategy and understanding your progress over time. Let's dive into how you can effectively use the trading journal feature in TradingView. First, you need to connect your paper trading account. This is done through the trading panel within TradingView. The trading panel is your hub for setting up your paper trades, managing your orders, and monitoring your positions. Once connected, you'll gain access to features that simulate real trading conditions, helping you practice and refine your strategies without any financial risk. This is a crucial step because, without connecting to a paper trading account, the trading journal feature won't be activated. Now, when it comes to accessing your trading journal, you will find it conveniently located alongside your positions, orders, and history tabs within the platform. The journal acts as a comprehensive log of all your trading activities. It automatically records critical details such as timestamps of your orders, profits, and losses, as well as the status of your trades. This automatic logging is incredibly beneficial because it not only saves you time, but also ensures accuracy in keeping your records straight. The Journal tab is an easy-to-navigate interface and is designed to give you a detailed overview of your trading journey. Whenever you place a trade, whether it's buying or selling, the journal will document it, capturing every aspect that might be relevant for future reference. This would include the entry and exit points and see how your trades measure up against your planned strategy. Over time, reviewing your journal becomes a powerful tool for self-assessment, helping you identify patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement in your trading strategy. As you browse through your logged orders, pay attention to the timestamps. They provide context about the market conditions when each trade was executed. Additionally, notice the profit and loss figures. They're not just numbers, they are feedback on how well your trading approach is performing under various market scenarios. Emphasis on tracking these details over time can yield insights that contribute to a more informed and disciplined trading approach. One tip to make the most out of your trading journal is to regularly review your logs, maybe weekly or monthly, depending on how frequently you trade. Reflect on what went well and what didn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Also, consider noting down your thought process or feelings at the time of each trade in a notebook. This kind of qualitative data can help uncover emotional patterns that might impact your trading decisions. So, connecting to the TradingView paper trading account and consistently using the trading journal can significantly enhance your trading skills. It brings a level of organization and analysis that is hard to achieve without it. Keep journaling and watch as it transforms your approach to trading into a more structured and insightful process.